In the previous video, you were introduced to a new technique called linear programming. Are you curious to know more about this technique? You will be surprised to see the applications of linear programming in various fields. This video will show you the various applications of linear programming. Check this out. Agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy. Have you ever wondered how agricultural lands are allocated to various crops for higher yield so it meets the need of the burgeoning population? How are farms managed within environmental, legal, and social-cultural constraints? What is the best nutritional mix for feeding the livestock? It is known that high temperature affects production. How is the best temperature selected for plant production for maximizing the profit? Decision making in agriculture is based on scientific planning, and linear programming play a very important role. What is the main objective of manufacturing industries? You are right. It is to maximize profit or return. Apart from maximizing profit, there are other problems such as optimization of production scheduling, that is allocation of resources, events, processes to produce goods, optimization of product mix problem, that is how to get the best from different product lines of a company, and optimal use of raw materials. For example, material efficiency in construction can be less expensive and energy intensive. Material efficiency includes reducing energy demand, reducing harmful emissions and other environmental impacts of industry, and increasing national resource security. All these problems can be solved by using the concept of linear programming. Transportation means moving from one place to another. The transportation problem is based on the supply and demand of commodities or people from different sources to different destinations. For example, what is the shortest route that a pizza delivery boy should take so as to minimize the cost and time taken to deliver the pizza to a particular destination and return to his workplace? Linear programming may be used to reduce the transportation cost. Linear programming may be used to maximize energy savings or reduce energy consumption of households. You must have heard about LED bulbs. LED means light emitting diode. These are the most energy efficient lighting option. LED bulbs use 75% less electricity than the ordinary light bulbs. Nutrition specialists suggest a balanced diet for a healthy living. A balanced diet is a diet that gives the body the minimum nutrients to function properly. Green leafy vegetables and other raw vegetables and fruits contribute to a healthy diet. Certain food in the market are very costly, but a healthy diet is also essential. So, what quantity of each food should be purchased so that the nutritional requirements for the body is fulfilled at a minimum cost? Solutions to such diet-related problems use the technique of linear programming. We have seen in the previous video that the use of linear programming started during the Second World War to minimize the losses brought about by the enemy. A number of military problems such as army logistics, wartime patient evacuation, cargo distribution, and regulating other military operations during a crisis can be solved using the technique of linear programming. Economic problems such as maximizing profit, revenue, sales, minimizing the cost of production, and planning economic development use linear programming models. A couple of these problems will be discussed in detail later this week. So, we have entered into a new world of programming. Optimization is the main objective of different professions such as business, finance, engineering, architecture, computer programming, and research. In the next few videos, you will explore the linear programming in detail and create programs to solve some economic problems.